Yeah, hi. Welcome to Civils Online, your affordable personal coach. This is part of Civils Exam Current Affairs series, and this is your daily dose of current affairs for the date Friday, 12th February 2016. Reading complete newspaper like Hindu will be hectic and time consuming. So for this purpose, Civils Online brings you this daily dose of current affairs so that every day a topic of interest is discussed elaborately only in the manner that is required for civils preparation, and other important items are also highlighted so that it will be in your memory, uh, and once any topic becomes important, it is in the newspaper daily or frequently, then I will move it to today's topic of interest and I will discuss elaborately on that particular topic also. So in this way, day by day, we'll be able to cover most of the important topics instead of going through the newspaper for whole day. And coming to today's topic of interest, it says scientists spot elusive space-time ripples. These are called gravitational waves. So what are these gravitational waves? Scientists are able to spot these elusive waves. So there has been research for these waves from last few decades, and even 100 years ago, Albert Einstein predicted these waves. Scientists from USA and from all parts of the world are working in gigantic optical instruments called LIGO, LIGO, and they're able to find the signals of these waves, which are emanating from two merging black holes 1.3 billion light years away, and they are received at Earth at this LIGO observatory. And even scientists from India participated in this experiment. This is about the news item, but what is the case in point we have to understand from civils preparation point of view. So what is this LIGO experiment? So LIGO experiment is it's a 4 kilometer tunnel that uses lasers and some mirrors placed strategically so that the laser waves interference is observed. The purpose is that it has to find the minute changes in space-time. So the LIGO experiment will have all this equipment for this purpose. So is this the first time that gravitational waves are found? No, actually. So there was indirect evidence earlier through decaying orbital period of objects called binary pulsars. For identification of these, two scientists received Nobel Prize in 1993, but direct detection of gravitational waves till now proved to be extremely difficult. Because the reason is it requires precision and sensitivities sufficient enough to detect distortions in space-time which are as minute as the diameter of a proton or less even. That's what this experiment, the LIGO experiment, is achieved now. So what Albert Einstein said 100 years ago? He said two distracting stars generate gravitational waves as they lose energy as per theory of relativity. So why observing these gravitational waves such a big deal? Why do we need to care about? These are important uh, because whatever we observe in space, all these celestial bodies, is through light source. From our Earth surface or through artificial satellites, we are able to find some information about the celestial bodies in space through the light emitted or reflected by these bodies. But there are other objects in the universe like black holes, neutron stars, etc., which are very much mysterious because they don't emit any light at all. So this gravitation, but these produce these gravitational waves. So understandably, if you find these gravitational waves, we will be able to find the details about this part of the universe which is unknown to us. So this is a major breakthrough for the world community and India's involvement. India's gravitational wave astronomy community is actively involved in this experiment, and this community also want to set up Indian component of this advanced LIGO observatory, and the project was pending from last 3 years, and it has been in the news that PM Prime Minister Modi has given in principle approval for this project in India. Yeah, this is about the news, but what are the important terms we have to know? So there is space time. So space-time in physics is a mathematical model that combines space and time into a single interwoven continuum. What are these gravitational waves? Are these similar to our light and sound waves as we know? These are actually ripples in space-time that dash across the universe at the speed of light. It's like a stone is thrown into a pond and the waves move around it. So gravitational waves are distortions of matter that propagate with the speed of light. So unlike familiar light and sound waves, gravitational waves do not travel through space, but the fabric of space-time itself oscillates in response to the disturbances caused by moving masses. So it doesn't travel, but the actual space-time fabric itself oscillates because of the disturbances caused by moving masses. So a gravitational wave is this traveling distortion of space-time geometry itself. So what is this LIGO? Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. As we discussed, it is a large-scale physics experiment to detect gravitational waves. What is black hole? What is this mysterious object in space? It is a region in space where the pulling force of gravity is so strong that light is not able to escape. Because it absorbs all the light energy, we are not able to find any information about this black hole. This is where the gravitational waves will help us to find more information about these objects like black holes, etc. So this is all about gravitational waves. And other news items of importance: Ishrat Jahan, an LET Lashkar-e-Toiba operative, says American Pakistan terrorist Headley. Economy faces strong headwinds. Sensex tumbles over 3% after SBI profit slumps, and gold keeps rising. This is on the backdrop of China's economy slowdown and crude oil prices keeps falling down. Economies all over the globe are facing these headwinds. Odd even traffic restrictions to curb air pollution in Delhi will be back from April 15th to 30th. Siachen soldier Lance Naik Hanumantappa loses battle for life. Nation pays tribute to the indomitable spirit of these soldiers. Pakistan hints at mulling over withdrawal of forces from Siachen. This is a welcome step from Pakistan. India has to proactively pursue this need. Sedition case filed against Jawaharlal Nehru University students for meeting on the death anniversary of the terrorist Afzal Guru who attacked Parliament House, and Kashmiri separatist Gilani warns against action on JNU students. Facebook winds up free basics after Telecom Regulatory Authority of India's directive on net neutrality. Police to file charge sheet against TERI ex-chairman Pachauri in 2 weeks. Criticism on TERI's appointment of Pachauri to a new powerful position, though he stands accused of sexual harassment of a junior colleague. Raise 1.14 lakh crore bad loans written off by banks through public money. And from in international sphere, the ex-military ruler Musharraf of Pakistan says, it's ISI, not Pakistan Army, that trains Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist organizations. Dhaka upholds Islamist death sentence. North Korea expels South Koreans from its industrial zone. And Russia raises stakes in Syria. So this is about today's daily dose of current affairs. Keep watching this space for daily updates and complete your newspaper reading in a jiffy. So this is about Civils Online. You can also attend free online foundation courses happening every evening at 7 o'clock. Contact us for more details. So this is Civils Online. Happy learning.